To change the sleep time in Windows 11, all you have to do is search Settings, and from here, from System, click on Power, and then click on Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts. There are three options here. The first option is about only the screen of your device. This number here indicates the amount of time for your screen to turn dark. You can choose from whatever you like, and there's also this never option. The second option is about the sleep mode on your system, which is exactly similar to this part of your Windows. The third option is the hibernate mode. The hibernate mode is really similar to sleep mode, but with just some minor differences. It will consume less power on your device, which is more suitable for your laptops. But the point is that the sleep mode is good if you wanna leave your device for 2 or 3 hours. But if you wanna leave your device for more than that, you can consider the hibernate mode. Also, the hibernate mode keeps all the data and the softwares open just like the sleep mode.